Learn English, important sentences with Urdu and Hindi translations. Let's get started. 1. I wake up early every morning. 2. I brush my teeth after breakfast. 3. I take a shower before going to work. 4. I make my bed after getting up. 5. I read the newspaper with my coffee. 6. I go to work by car. 7. I have lunch at noon. 8. I check my emails during lunch break. 9. I attend meetings in the afternoon. 10. I finish work at 5 p.m. 11. I exercise at the gym in the evening. 12. I prepare dinner for my family. 13. I watch TV after dinner. 14. I read a book before going to bed. 15. I set my alarm for the next morning. 16. I go to bed around 10 p.m. 17. I take my dog for a walk in the morning. 18. I make a to-do list for the day. 19. I do the dishes after every meal. 20. I prepare my clothes for the next day. 21. I call my family members in the evening. 22. I tidy up my room before going to bed. 23. I drink a glass of water before breakfast. 24. I listen to music while cooking. 25. I check the weather forecast in the morning. 26. I organize my desk at work. 27. I make my morning coffee. 28. I take a break in the afternoon. 29. I write in my journal before bed. 30. I set goals for the next day before sleeping.